Bitcoin, August 24th, 2026. Bitcoin update starting from the high time frame. Got the monthly monthly chart that's going all the way up here with the price action rising, then came back down. Dipped down all the way until July. Then in August we have a strong pump up. And we're almost ending the month, so it seems like this candle is going to be strong to stay up here. It went above this June candle, so it's definitely showing some power behind it. This could be a definitely pivotal turning point, saying that next month we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation of that. On the weekly time frame, you can see the yellow 200 MA. We went down on top of it, bounced around, stayed on that 200, and now we pumped straight up. So that's definitely showing a lot of energy and a lot of momentum of Bitcoin. It's a lot of strength. So we're probably going to try and get this liquidity above here, which is around the 82 area, and see where we respond from there. On the 1 day time frame, we had a great pump up here in the past week. Then I went back down across the 200 MA to go under it. Now it's pumping again above the 200 MA, probably showing for a rebound to the upside. So this was just probably a small little break, relaxing time for the asset to recollect, and possibly going to come back up. And this is, of course, the ultimate goal up here, the highest of the high. The first we're seeing it's going to reach the 82,000 mark. So let's transfer over to if there's any CME gaps. And on a 1 hour time frame, we had prices go sideways for such a long period of time, then rapidly shot up. It did fill these CME gaps. So these CME gaps are now gone because the price has gone up and passed it and filled it in. So we have no more CME gaps up until this guy, which is the around the 84,000 mark. So that is possibly where this price will consolidate for a while, possibly until maybe another pump up to just hit and fill this this CME gap to balance things out, or make it back down a little bit to reconnect with the 200 and go up again. So there's probably two possibilities that we can see. If we go into a different chart here with the trending lines, we can see that overall on all the time frames from the 1 day all the way down to the 1 minute, everything is green, showing great bullishness for Bitcoin. We've been going sideways for such a period of time, and now we broke above the accumulation box here. So that shows even more strength. We're above the 4 hour action line as well too, showing more strength as well. Now if we look at the news for this overall week, which is the last week of the month, which is kind of very busy, we got 4 red dots or 4 red folders that are we call high impact news drivers that are coming this week. And then the rest of the week we have medium, which are these yellow or orange news drivers that are coming down. So it's going to be news throughout the whole week, which would definitely probably create a harder probability to trade this week because it might just go all over the place. But overall, when we're looking at the charts, this is definitely bullish for Bitcoin overall. So that was going to be the update for Bitcoin on August 24th, 2026.